So I think that we need clear definitions. My wife is a former high school principal. She's very practical. She thinks that this is the worst kind of academic philosophizing. Who cares whether it's formative assessment or assessment for learning? Let's just get on with it. My attitude is that's okay, but if you want to research this stuff, you have to be clear you're researching the same stuff. So if somebody says formative assessment works, and somebody else comes along and said, actually, we did an experiment and it doesn't work. There's a classic example by one of the people at Stanford that Paul and I worked with, Rich Shavelson. They did these things called embedded formative assessments, which were kind of curriculum-embedded tasks. In the paper, they say it was too hard to get teachers to change their practice, so we just gave them some tasks to use, and it didn't have any effect. Their conclusion is formative assessment doesn't work. Well, no, it doesn't work if you think of it that way. So I think definitions are really important, just so you can compare whether what's going on is comparable to what's going on in other studies. So the research assessment outcomes are comparable, and to communicate effectively. Now, this, I will confess, is something that Paul and I seem to have done very badly.